Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to fix Assassin's Creed Black Flag Resync controller not working. Just before we do begin with this video though, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel with all notifications on, and if you do have any questions during the video, don't forget to comment down in the comment section down below and I'll happily answer them for you. So without any further ado, let's get straight to the video. First things first, go ahead and click on your library right over here. Let's say this is currently Assassin's Creed. So if your controller is currently connected with Steam, it should have a controller icon. So let me go ahead and connect my controller real quick. And as you can see, it's loading up. As you can see, the controller icon has this option right over here. So if I click on it, this options will be in. As you can see, check, check, check. And as you can see, this is my controller. So if your controller is not working, go ahead and try Bluetooth. If you don't have any Bluetooth, a wired device or a wired controller is actually better. So also make sure that your Steam is currently on with the settings. Go ahead and click on the top left right over here, Steam on top left, settings, scroll down, controller, and click on show advanced settings. Right over here, if you're what I'd recommend if you're using a Bluetooth device for your PS4 or any generic controller, because actually Microsoft or Windows actually only supports Xbox controllers, but since Steam has a PS4 or a lot of controller supports, they actually do support the devices. Now, what I'd recommend if you use a Bluetooth though, make sure to put on PlayStation right over here, enabled in games without support. And if you have a generic controllers, go ahead and turn this on. Sometimes it works, but on the game though, it will show you the controllers for Xbox, but your controller will work. Now on the games right here, go ahead and click on it, and make sure you enable the Steam input right over here. Go ahead and launch the game. If it doesn't work, go ahead and disable and launch the game. Sometimes it works for me, sometimes it's not. Sometimes it's really a bug. So basically that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys find this video helpful. If you did, please leave a like on this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.